Hi everyone, meteorologist Anthony Baglione here in the WRAL Severe Weather Center. We are on track to see actually a pretty decent forecast today and into tomorrow before it's going to be a toasty one into this weekend. We're talking the actual air temperatures getting into the mid to upper 90s and feels like values in the triple digits. So I'll touch on that here in just a second. Should be a nice one out there for us today, though. Just a few clouds floating on through. Temps climb into the low 90s today, very similar to what we saw yesterday. 91 for a high temperature. We should be dry. We'll see a lot of sunshine. Should be fine if you want to head to the pool. It actually will feel decently comfortable today. So if you can soak this up, it's going to be a good idea before things start to change. Here is where we are headed. So tomorrow will still feel okay. It'll be a little bit warmer. Where we really start to see the change comes in for this weekend. We're going to see a high of 97 on Saturday, feeling like 102 to maybe 106 there really for the next probably 5 days. We get a tiny bit of a break there on Tuesday, but still, 104 to 97, it's still going to be downright dangerously hot. And then into late next week is when I think we may start to see a little bit of relief. As far as rain chances are concerned, we need some. We need something to help cool us off a little bit. It looks like Sunday there's a 20% chance we may see just a quick spotty shower. Into Monday, that's when we start to see a little bit of moisture pushing a little bit closer. This front that's back to the west, that's going to bring in some more shower and storm activity into late Monday afternoon. In the tropics, we have two areas we're watching, one off the southeast coast and one in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. It looks like neither of those expected to do anything major right now. First day of summer today at 91. We go to 93 tomorrow. Close to 100 actual air temperatures this weekend. Just like I said, please keep the heat in mind. It's going to be kind of dangerously hot is what we would consider that. Still 97 on Monday, and even into Wednesday of next week, temperatures very close to 100. So we're in for a big slap in the face here with some heat as we head into the first couple days of summer.